to fix Facebook AI image generator not working. So to fix this issue, you can start by force reset the AI chat context. If the bot is stuck in text-only mode and ignoring the image request, in your active chat, type reset AI and hit send to clear its conversational memory. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache on your Android device and upload the app on your iOS. Now on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to settings, then tap on general, then tap iPhone storage. Now find Facebook from the list, then tap upload app and then tap upload app again to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Tap on it to reinstall the Facebook app to your device, or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Facebook app and then reinstall it from there. Because there is no direct cache button, you will need to upload or uninstall the app and reinstall it from the Apple App Store to clear out broken data. Now the next thing what you can do is update to the latest version. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Facebook app, and if you see an update button available right here instead of open, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.